Hey guys, this is Josh Check here, and for today's video guys is we're going to unbox another earphones. This is the Qcy T20 Ailypods. Let's go. Hey guys, this is Josh here. Welcome back to our channel. And yes guys, I've missed you. I'm actually quite busy recently. I'm sorry for this index finger here because I just voted. And yes guys, we are going to unbox another earphones. This is the Qcy T20 Ailypods. This is the also wireless earbuds for music and game. Without further ado guys, let's open this one. Right, so this is actually the box guys, the front, and we have here the Qcy T20 branding, and also we have here the specification, dual mic for noise cancelling, and also it has compact design and gaming modes. On the sides guys, we have here Qcy branding, and at the back so we have here the specifications. We have here the operation range, it's 10 meters. Charging time, it's approximately 2 hours. Standby time, that's approximately 100 hours. Wow, and then music time, that's 5.5 hours. Okay guys, so I'm so excited to have this. And then we also have here the application. So all you have to do is just scan this barcodes or QR codes and you can get the application guys. Let's open this one. Ta-da! Okay, and we have here the case, the earphones. Okay, let's see what's inside. Okay, we have here the product manual. Okay, so if you have any questions you can refer to your manual guys. Here the charging cable type C. Okay, let's look at the earphones. Okay, so it looks nice guys, and it is lightweight. We have here the case, so let's take this one out. The case is actually more like it's a matte finish, so it's not really glossy. And then we have here the Qcy branding there, and it looks really nice and clean. And also at the bottom you have here the type C port, and okay, we have here the right and also the left. Ta-da! So when you put them on guys, so it will light up in the red here on the sides. And okay, I will be testing this one guys, and I will let you know my review and how it feels and how they sound when you are using them, especially when you're listening to music. So we'll be right back guys, we are back. So by the way, before I give you my review, this is actually the application guys on your Android store. You have to scan this one here using your camera, and then you can install this application. There you go guys, I actually connected our earphones to the Qcy application. So in the app guys, you can actually see the battery percentage for each earbud. Yes, so in our case we have here the left earbud is 50%, right earbud that's 80%. And also you can customize the sound effect of your earbuds. So you have here the pop, bass, rock, soft, classic, and you can also customize the settings according to your preference. So as you can see guys, our Qcy earbuds, they are very customizable, and I think that you will really love this. So as you can see guys, our Qcy earbuds, they are very customizable, and I think that you will really love this. And now guys, is I'm going to give you my feedback or my review of this Qcy T20 earphones or earbud. These are absolutely gorgeous guys. It's really awesome. I've tested the bass, the rock, the classic, feature. When you're on the application, you can change the sound, and it's pretty nice. Yes. And also, I did some tests on the find the earphones, and it did really work. When you lose your um, earphones, then they will just make a sound, and it should be easy for you to track them now. Yes. And for me, guys, if I'm going to rate this Qcy T20 earphones, they are really like 9. Yes. Also, when I'm wearing them, they are very comfortable to my ears because they are not heavy, and it's like one of the best earphones that you can get for a very reasonable price. And guys, if you're interested about this Qcy T20 earphones, you can just tap on the link in the description box and you can check them out. Yeah, so guys, all I can say is this earphones, they are really really nice. And yeah, if you have any questions, guys, just comment down below. And if you like this video, guys, kindly click the thumbs up and also consider subscribing to our channel. Once again, guys, this has been Josh, and I will see you on our next video.